So, a funny story. Yesterday when I was at the hospital to see the surgeon, I seen a guy come towards me with a pot on his foot. I used to work with him a long time ago. He said, "Bloody hell, Lee, what's happened to you?" I went, "Shark attack, wasn't it?" He went, "No way, where?" I went, "Listen," I'm joking. He went, "Lee," he went, "the stuff I've seen you do this year already," he went, "I wouldn't have put it past you." Listen, it is what it is. Is it skydiving? No. Motorcycling? No. Sitting on tall buildings? No. On cliffs? No. Skateboarding? No. What about mountain biking? It's not that either. How about 4 hours in wet grass? That's what took us out. What we've got here is something which happened about 7 days ago. Literally walking the dogs in what initially I thought was a dislocated knee. Under observation today from the surgeon, looks like I've torn the quad right off my patella. I've had an MRI today. I'm more than likely going to be getting surgery the next couple of days. This is not about poor me, boo-hoo. This is about an opportunity in order to make a little bit of a recovery series over the next few months, maybe up to 6 months, because it's going to be a long road. Thankfully, I've got a lot of editing to do, but what I wanted to show you is that what can be done with the mind and what can be done with your body and what can be done with your time. So I'm not going to do this every week. I've just trained again today with Louise, one of my best friends behind the camera. I'm going to try my best to train as often as I can. The thing at the moment is I can bend my leg a little bit and get into the car, but once I've had surgery it will be completely straight. If you think training is going to be hard, you want to try sitting on a toilet having a shit. It's just impossible. I'm going to show you my nutrition protocols. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on the whiteboard on a daily basis, the activities I'm going to take part in. I'm going to learn some new software. I'm going to finish off some jobs and book some new ones in. It's going to be absolutely brilliant. It's a motivational time for you and for everybody to use your time wisely, to not get out of shape, to keep your mental health in tip-top condition, and to show you that anything can be done with fortitude and drive and passion. So, I look forward to seeing you on the next video, a couple of weeks time possibly, and I'll give you an update. Okay, thanks very much and enjoy the ride. See you.
How you live, John? Day by day.